Hey, it's Ryan here with Parts Doctor. Today we're going to show you how to replace the fan motor on your Samsung refrigerator. For this job, you're going to need two tools. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver and a Flathead screwdriver. Let's get started. For this repair, we'll need to unplug or disconnect power to the refrigerator. The first thing that we're going to need to do is remove the 4 door bins on the lower part of the left door and the lower part of the right door. Next, we'll need to remove the 2 vegetable drawers. To remove the vegetable drawer cover, you'll need to simultaneously press the 2 clips on the left and right sides. This will release it from the filter case assembly, which will allow you to lift it out and remove it. Next, we'll need to remove the shelves inside the refrigerator. The quick space shelf on the side of the ice maker can stay in place. To remove the shelves, you'll need to grab the front of the shelf and lift up. With your other hand, you'll need to grab the rear of the shelf and lift it up and forward towards you to remove it. Next, we'll remove the screw cover, and then we'll remove the 4 Phillips screws. To remove the screw cover, we'll use a small flathead screwdriver, and then you can pry out the plastic cover to remove it. First, we'll need to remove the 2 Phillips screws that hold the center shelf support. Next, remove the 2 bottom Phillips screws. Now we can remove the evaporator cover by pulling on the bottom and then along the edges to remove the locking clips. With the evaporator cover released, it is still connected in the upper left-hand corner of the fridge. You want to pivot it by pulling out on the right edge of the evaporator cover and leaving the left side in place. Once you gain access to the wire plugs, you can remove them by depressing the locking tabs. Next, we'll need to remove the sensor wire and fan motor wires around these 2 clips. Now we'll remove the 4 Phillips screws. To remove the fan motor from the plastic housing, you'll pull back on this plastic clip while pushing the fan motor from the back side to remove it. If you have a bad fan motor and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You'll want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure that you're getting the correct part. To reinstall the new fan motor, make sure that the wires go into this corner of the plastic housing and make sure that the sticker on the back of the fan motor is facing you. Now with one hand, insert the fan motor at an angle while pulling back on the plastic tab and then pushing down until the fan motor locks into place. Next, reinstall the 4 Phillips screws. Now reinstall the 2 wiring harnesses into the 2 clips and tie them to secure them into place. To reinstall the evaporator cover, you'll need to start by reinstalling the 2 wire plugs into the refrigerator. Next, we'll need to turn the panel and then push the top into place, and then we'll push the sides and bottom to lock them into place. Next, we'll reinstall the 2 outer Phillips screws. Next, we'll reinstall the center shelf support, and then we'll reinstall the upper screw cover. Next, we're going to reinstall the shelves in the refrigerator. You're going to start by putting the back tab at an angle in the fridge, and then you'll lower it until the bottom tab locks into place. To reinstall the vegetable drawer cover, you'll set it on the side rails, and then you'll push it until it's flush with the back wall. Once it's flush with the back wall, you'll lift up on the filter case to lock the 2 pieces together. Now reinstall the vegetable drawers and the door bins. So that's how you replace the fan motor on your Samsung refrigerator. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below.